Welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to set up Facebook Payout account. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to set up your Facebook Payout account here, so maybe you're a new creator and you're wondering how do you actually cash out or set up your payout here. Well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go and access your Facebook account. So in this case, you just need to open up the Facebook app here, and you just need to make sure that you are or you've just logged in. Now, once you've logged in, at the top left or right, depending on the version of your this case app here, so you want to go and click on the 3-bar icon or the hamburger icon here. Now, once you've done that, you want to go and scroll down a bit here, look for settings and privacy, expand that, and access settings. Now, in here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit here and look for the option that says payments. Now, if you are eligible, like let's just say your account has already started earning here, well, the option that says payouts would be available. Now, what does that exactly look like? So this is what it actually looks like. Now, it should say payouts just underneath add payments. So once you do see that payouts, you want to go and click on it. And this will redirect you to this page here. Now, usually in this page here, what you need to do is you want to go and click on the gear icon, because usually this is just the transactions and overview of your account and how much or is your next earning or your next payout. But if you click on the gear at the top right here, it should give you the option that says edit on your payout account. So if you scroll down a bit to the very bottom of that page on the next page, once you do click on the gear icon, you should see the edit option on your payout details and your payout account. But yeah, so from there on, just fill out the necessary details and you should be pretty much good to go. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.